Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife guru, back at it with another one, guys. Here we are, The Walk and Talk, episode 75. Let's get to it. Yep, it's a cold one here in East Tennessee today, guys. So, bear with me, and the wind is blowing, so you may hear a little wind noise. I can't promise you it is super cold. We're catching the edge of the Arctic blast covering the United States, so, or the I guess northeast United States. I guess that's where it's coming down from. Coming down out of Canada, so we're catching the tip of it here in East Tennessee, and it is cold. It's about 25 degrees right now, but hey, I like you guys, and I thank you for stopping by for a video. So let's get to this. I like when you guys come by and hang out with me for a few. I'm not exactly sure what we got in the box today. I know I believe it's a Lionsteel. Don't quote me on that yet. I'm guessing the title will probably give you a little hint of what's in here. But I haven't put the title up yet, so I don't know. There's our present. Let's see what we else we got going in the box here. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Another one. Reflector knives. Better put that under there because it's going to blow away. Here we are. Yep, it's Lionsteel. I was right. I believe it may be stag, if I remember correctly. There you go. Let's get to her. By the way, guys, if you like this video and you're thinking other folks might find it interesting, if you're a member of any knife groups or knife communities, share this video. Help out the channel. So let's get to it. It's not stag. I lied to you. There we go. Paper's blowing away. Hold on a second. Paper's gonna be out in the yard. Okay. So we have another bolus here. Very nice. Very nice. Ebony wood. Feels good. Nice and smooth. Yeah. Let's check it out next to the African blackwood there. Very close. The African blackwood's got a little bit more of a pattern to it. It's more grain to it. I love some ebony though. It's very nice. Let's take a look around. Oh, here we go with the papers blowing around. Come on now. Let's take a look around her here before we open her up. We have some phosphorus bronze washers in there. I don't know if you can see them. Some leatherage on the lanyard. Leatherage. That's my little hillbilly word there. Very nice. Looks good. Let's check that pull on this clip point here. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Very nice. A little soft on that close there, but very nice. A little soft right there. I'd say that's hovering around 6.5 or 7. Very nice. Check that out. And nice job smoothing that ebony wood out. That looks, look at that reflection in it. Very nice. There's the clip point there. Let me wipe it off. M390 on the blade still, as usual. Very nice knife there. Stuff's blowing away. Let's check the weight on her. I'm telling you, everything is just trying to blow away on my bench here. $63.8. Will she go over to ounces? Come on. No. Too cold. No, not gonna go to ounces. 62.9. 63 there. And see, it's tried to jump up on me there. Gotta watch these little cheapies. 63.8, yeah. That's what you get for $7 at Harbor Freight. Very nice knife there. Let's check that centering. Perfection. Very nice. I believe that's going to wrap it up, guys. I'll let you guys take a look at the number 85 one more time. Man, I love this. What a beauty. I'm still stoked about this. If you haven't seen this, go check that video out. It's called the Grill Call. I do believe Mail Call, Grill Call. That's the video. Anyways, guys, I believe that's going to wrap this video up. I'm going to go in the house and get warm. Try not to cut myself again. That's where the last line still got me there. That's going to wrap it up, guys. I thank you for stopping by and joining me for this unboxing, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace.